You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Brand name pronunciation, how to pronounce it correctly in English. For more chocolate, brand names and food names, stay tuned. We've got many more confusing ones at the end of the video. How to pronounce in English: Kit Kat, kit, a short E sound, kit. Some may pronounce it with a schwa, kit, cat, Kit Kat. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.